It is 8:49. So again, I've got about 13 sheets. I'm going to get this pre-filled. I'll put the corner bead on, and then I'll show you what time it is again. So, all right. Okay, let's see, what time is it? It's 9:08. I forgot what time it was before. But I have it all pre-filled. Everything's pre-filled. And if you look around these pipes, we had some big gaps around. I threw some fiberglass mesh tape in there and coated that. Let's see, what time is it? What time is it? I should have had my phone ready before I did this. It is 9:27. I've put on all the corner bead. You can see all of the corner beads on now. I had to trim this one in. I just did a video on doing this, so it took me a little bit longer because I shot a video of putting this corner bead on. But that corner bead's on over there too. So all of the corner beads on. I'm going to start taping the flats. I'll get right back to you. Okay, as you can see, it is 9:35. I've got all of the flats done throughout. No angles yet, just the flats. Just the flats. But I have them all done. I have ceiling here, and then here, these walls all done. So like I said, this is about 13 12-foot sheets. So all the flats are done. All right, all the angles are in. It is 9:57. Okay, my last shot. Let's see, what time is it? It is, I can't show you that because I got 2 missed phone calls on there. It is 10:59. It's 11 o'clock. So I'm not quite sure what time I started without looking back on the videos. But 9, 10, 11, 2 hours, maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And it's all taped and coated. If you notice how I did my corners, I do one side of all the angles. I did the ceiling here, the wall here, and the leg there, and got it all done. So all my angles, everything is coated, everything's ready to scan. So you guys have a great day. Hey, I'm just coming to you and saying, if you really like these videos, subscribe. And if you really like these videos, share them with somebody else. I also wanted to bring to your attention, I'm coming out with a product. It's called the Drywall Doctor First Aid Kit. It's going to have everything you need in here to do patches, repair work, holes in walls, broken corner bead. So you buy the repair kit, you log in, you follow the instructions to repair all of that stuff, and when you're all done with this is a lunch pail. It's an insulated lunch pail, so you can bring it to work. It'll have a little thing in here like this that you can mix mud in, and when you're done you can carry sandwiches in once you clean it, of course. But I think it was a great idea. It's going to be called the Drywall Doctor First Aid Kit. I'm going to have it on Patreon really soon. I need support in order to put this together so I can market it and get it out there. So if you could help support me on Patreon, I would really appreciate it. You guys have a great day.